Hey guys, Custom Billy here from CustomRadio.com. This video is to show another example of the double din modification that we do here at the store for the Land Rover Discovery. This is for the 99 to 04. And this one here was sent in from David in Colorado. So what we do is we go ahead and modify this from the single din location to the double din, lower this housing here for the heater controls, and this is also removable as well, just like it was from the factory. And the radio is also mounted with a universal Pioneer cage, so it is removable from the front as well. It comes out really nice, OEM factory looking. If you have any interest in this, give us a call at 716-634-6700, or you can email us at sales@customradiobuffalo.com, and we can take it from there. Thank you very much.